So is this market being resilient or are investors being complacent? Sell. Why not both? Yeah, that's what I think it is. I think it's a combination of these two forces, and I think they've taken control. First, let's cover complacency. A few days ago, the President of the United States ordered the killing of an extremely bad guy, an Iranian general who'd been the major architect of state-sponsored terrorism in the region. Now, I'm not here to litigate whether or not that was the right call. Not my call. What matters to the stock market is that most commentators immediately assumed it meant we were headed for war with Iran. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200. They just took it as a given that both sides would keep escalating until all-out war became inevitable. We saw the price of oil and gold soar. We saw investors buying waves of put options, betting on a monster sell-off. But at the same time, the stock market pretty much ignored the whole fracas, even when it became obvious that retaliation was imminent. Iran finally struck back last night when the market was closed. They launched more than a dozen ballistic missiles at air bases in Iraq that housed U.S. troops, and the overnight futures plummeted the equivalent of 500 Dow points. Now, next thing you know, the president tweets that it looks like there were no American casualties and all was well. You could see the futures start to rally. Then a Boeing 737 non-MAX from Tehran crashed right after takeoff, and a second wave of fear swept the market. But when no further attacks came, when the Iranian government tweeted that their message of revenge has been sent, the overnight futures reversed. And the pajama traders who sent the markets down 2% were revealed to be just plain wrong. Like I've been telling you all week, de-escalation was always on the table, and that's exactly what both sides seem to be doing. The scaremongering media did you a huge disservice by playing down that possibility. Things only got worse for the bears when we got the kind of bullish numbers that justified not only staying the course, but outright buying stocks. If you were complacent going into the Iran crisis, that complacency paid off when the president demonstrated restraint, baffling his critics, who simply can't conceive of Donald Trump with an olive branch instead of a bazooka. However, it's not just the de-escalation that induced a short squeeze. That was part of it, but no, it was something bigger. We got some genuinely good news from individual companies, as well as some macro information, and that helps explain the market's resilience.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.